Hello, what's up? I'm gonna be reviewing a Nerf gun review. I'm gonna be doing something from now on. How much? Guess what I'm doing? I'm doing the zombie strike sling of fire. I call it sling of fire, but you can call it sling of fire. And well, good detailing right here. Like, I like the cloth feel. Feels good. It's not really cloth, but it feels good. The zombie logo. C for zombies. I'm gonna be showing you accessories. The gun. It comes with a 6-dart pack with these new awesome elite darts, the green ones. And comes with only 6 of them, no storage whatsoever. You cannot put a front to this, and the back stays on. There is a tactical rear light here, about what it's called, sorry. Locker, and you use a button, so when you take this all the way out, then you take this, plug into the front of the bullet right here. It's faced up to like that. Take this out, make it so that the front of this the dart piece, not what this is the back, this is the front. The back has the holes. The front line up with this. Put it in like that, all the way in. Hold it in. Take this back part, bring it back. Then you're ready to shoot. I'll show you how to shoot it. Hold on. Ready? Oh no. Hold on there. It does have a jam door. That's a good thing. So if I'll show you. Hold on. Because sometimes this gun will jam. Because mine just jammed right now. Hold on. You can see my other gun in the background. That's a Busby. This is my first Nerf. All my other guns are Busby. I'm gonna be getting the Zombie Striker crossbow, Rhino Fire for my friend. Oh, the jam door is right here. So take this peg, flick it up, and you got all your jam. That black thing, that's where the bullet is. And if you do not see the thing, you need to really just take this, shoot it. If it does not go well, take this, open it up. Wait, hold on. This is how it shoots though. It shoots very fast. Well, if you got a jam, you bring this out like you're loading it. Take it up, and the black thing is not there anymore. And you can see your new bullet in. So that's cool. You bring that back. Hold on. It shoots very fast. That's what I love. Okay, that's what I like about this gun. Remember, this is my first Nerf gun, my first video, first Nerf gun, first video. We're gonna be doing a firing test, very in the kitchen, my kitchen room. I'm going to be putting it at a weird position, but the accessories is a 6-dart, what's it called? 6-dart magazine, 6 darts, of course. Drop the dart. And also, if you want, you can put them anywhere. It tells you to put it right here, in that way. But I don't care. I just put it in a way. Okay. Hear this. Ready? That sounds good, actually. Nice and clean. I'm gonna be going over the details right now. Here's the back section. Reload. This a clip. So if you have like a vest or anything, you could put that on the vest. This right here, the green end for your armpit and stuff. Rester. I hate this though. This is what I hate about this gun. Right here. It shows the instructions on the gun. That's what I hate about it. And I hate about it how it jams. Like half of the time is that this is when you take out the drum, the thing. Hold on, I'm gonna put it in and show you how to take it out. You take this, and when you hear a click, that means you could put it in. If you do not hear a click, then you have to keep going until you hear one. You take the drum, put it in. This is how you take it out. You put this up all the way until it clicks. Click this orange button. Oh, actually, it's on both sides, so that's a good thing. So if you're right or left-handed, that'll be good. Bring it back, it'll just fall out. You can put a 25, 18, 50 dart clips or anything, like drums, dart clips. Put anything in this gun. I actually saw a video where somebody put a 50 dart drum just hanging out. And when you shoot it, you need to do it till it clicks, then bring it all the way back, then shoot. This is another thing I hate about it. It says Nerf right here. It says sling fire. It has all this good detailing, and this side is just nothing. You see all the screws and everything, but that's like with every single gun. But you do still see the bandages. That's pretty cool. And you see this thing. Then you see like pipes coming out of it. And the jam door is nice and orange. Okay, look at the aim. If you could see, the aim is pretty nice, but you cannot like bend it down or anything. I also hate how you can't put a barrel. You can't. Well, you can put a scope, but it's gonna be hard putting on. You can't put a back. So like, if this could come off, that'd be cool. Cause if you have that back section where it stores extra bullets, you can like store extra. If you have another gun from the zombie line, then yeah. And there's a big hole, big gap thing. Maybe getting more Nerf guns soon. I'm gonna be switching the camera view actually, so you can see the firing test. What hi. Firing test. Oh, put it on the wrong way. Okay. I'm gonna do 3 straight, 3 angled. But I want to see higher. Hold on. Is that good? Looks good. Okay. This is angled. Holy crap. That directly hit the window. That has the window has to be like 20 feet, and it didn't even slow down. Didn't even slow down, didn't even stop. Angled. Angled. Well, no, I meant straight for the... Okay, this is angled. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that one went pretty high. But some of my reviews, I'm going to be doing them outside. Like, I'm going to be doing another range test and everything outside to see how really far I go, but see how far this went. All of them, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Some of them backfired. I don't know where they backfired. I'm kind of like, where the heck did they go? Oh, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one more somewhere. Oh, 2 of them landed in that treasure. So that's pretty nice for a gun. That's especially Nerf. That's very good of a gun. My pros and cons, what I feel. Pros, shoots very far, looks awesome, comes with a 6-dart clip. A trapdoor, that's very good for damages. And the color scheme, and the fast shooting and accuracy and everything. The accuracy is a little bit off, because when I shot it, it was spinning around, and one time when I shot right over there, like it went over a little bit in that coat. The cons, oh, it spun out sometime, like 1 or 2 shots it spun out, and it went over a little bit like that. Like that. This gun is a $24 gun. A lot of money. And one more thing, well, 2 more. It only comes with 6 darts. It should have come with a hiding spot. And this side has instructions on what to do, and I hate that. And there's nothing. It's just plain, besides for that handle and the back and the orange. That's what I think about this gun. It's not a quickly go. Well, I think it's my favorite gun. So it probably is a dual and go and get. No, go get. Probably. This is Ernie and my first video. Bye.